Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing yet another beautiful 1964 Chevrolet Impala. This particular model, one family owned since new, and you can tell she has been restored. I don't know if this blue is a factory color, but she sure is stunning, that's for sure. So we'll spend a little bit of time today getting to know and understand this lovely lady. You can see that she's a 4-speed. She's the real deal. "15-inch chrome reverse rallies." I could look at this body all day long. She's long and she's straight. So all the chrome and stainless finished to a high degree. It's either been refurbished or replaced. There are two little items. There's one little nick right there of that chrome. You see the engine turning on the stainless and the bright work, indicative of super sport. Little mark right there. I think a lot of that might buff out. There's another weird area right there. I'm not sure what happened. So the underside of this car is very clean as well. It's had full floor repair, it looks like to me. This stainless, we're going to reaffix that. Looks like there's a trim clip that's missing. Two-tone with a painted white top. What a beautiful, beautiful lady. I was hoping maybe the sun would bust through. This color almost seems to change as the sun reflects off of it. Let's see, here it comes a little bit now. And finished to a very high level. Looks like seat carpet's new. This is what I love to see. These cars here. Bucket seats, of course, console. Horn does not work. Take a look at that. Everything else like she should. Showing 24,000 miles. Say that has turned over once. Medium blue headliner complements very well. And all the chrome stainless rubber. Look at this, new. So we were told by the original family that this is the original engine. It's been decked. They added aluminum heads, so the stamping number non-existent. High-rise 4-barrel intake, dual feed, air gap, ram's horns, exhaust manifolds. You can tell she has been driven and enjoyed, but not abused. Manual steering, manual brakes. I thought it had discs. It stopped so well. Look at that. I'm going to fire it up here. Electronic ignition.